Hello everyone, this is my review of the GoodCook AirPerfect Pizza Pan. This pan is non-stick and is perforated, so you can have a crispier crust. When it's perforated, it has less moisture that's between the crust and the pan, so it gets the air in there to make a crispier crust. Give a little demonstration. You can use, it's a pizza pan, but you can use it for other things that I like to do to make them crispy as well. Like here, I have some egg rolls that's soggy out the refrigerator, so I'm gonna put them on my pizza pan here. Now I'm gonna put them into the oven for a few minutes, and they should come out all crispy all around, not just on one side and the underside be soggy. Instead, it'll be crispy all around because the air was able to get all around to make them crispy. So I hope this review helps.